What's up, guys? We got another tool review.
Okay guys, got a couple of tools here for you. I got the Milwaukee M18 Random Orbital sander. Its code is 2648-20. This is the tool only. If you need to buy the battery pack, keep that in mind. On the other hand, we have a dual, we have a combo kit. We have the M18 combo kit. This is going to be 26, 97, 22. And this is the M18, the hammer drill, and impact. Okay, let's take a look at the kit. First, you got extended capacity batteries. Okay, you got a metal chuck. Okay, you got the hammer drill function. This kit includes 2 batteries. You'll have a charger, a contractor bag, and then you have the compact hammer drill, and you'll have the quarter inch drive impact driver. Okay, so you have this Red Link intelligence, and it protects for overload, for if you're being real abusive with the drill. So that's good to have. 4-pole frameless motor. 4 brushes add to the life and performance. Another thing to keep in mind when I open this is this tool has a 5-year warranty. 3 years for the battery, 5 years for the tool. Not bad. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Let's look at some of the specs on the box. So peak torque, 525 inch-pounds. 0 to 450 on low, 0 to 1800 RPMs. Chuck, you got a metal, half-inch metal single chuck. Linked weight, 7 3/4. Okay, 1500 inch-pounds. Fastening torque. The RPMs 0 to 2750. The length on this one is 5 1/4, so that's not bad. Okay, so let's take a look at the kit. So in the kit you have, like I said, you have 2 batteries. It's a heavy-duty battery. Look, extended capacity 3.0. You got this charger. What's cool about the charger is they set you up for if you want that M12 series. If you want the M12 line, there you go. You got it right there. All right. Got your impact. Let's start with these batteries right here. Extended capacity 3.0 amp. So what we got here? We got the contacts. You have your release button. Pretty slick release button. Just pull that out real quick. Boom. Look at that. You push one or both. I will say that when you push this in there, it does get a little stuck. I wish that it was a little smoother, but maybe it'll get, as you get used to it, it'll come out easier. But that doesn't come out as smooth as I would like it to be. You also had the fuel gauge button. And you push this button on here, and it'll light up what you have, the amount of life you have on there. This one definitely needs a charge, right? Again, you just push the button. Charge me, baby. Let's take a look at this charging station. So again, you have the M12 and M18 charger all in one. So this is going to be for your M12, the M12 platform, and this is for the M18. Okay, and you have your vents. This is your vents. Your indicator lights for your battery. There's the contacts. There's your contacts for your battery. And also has, if you want to mount it, you can mount this on the wall. There you go. On this one, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I would prefer this not to be such a tight fit, but you have to really push that on there. Okay, let's start off with this hammer drill, okay guys? So number one, you have the trigger, of course. Okay, then you'll have your LED light. Okay, here's your control switch. So push it on the right, push that in. You want to drive it in. You're going to be pushing this side in. You're going to be reversing. Okay. You got a metal chuck here, man. That's durable right there. Hardcore metal chuck. You don't want a plastic chuck. So you got a metal chuck. Okay. Pretty nice. It's real smooth. Okay. You got your torque selector. So this is your torque selector. This section right here. Okay. you wanna go hardcore, turn it up. You don't need that much, turn it down, okay? Then you have your application selector. So right here, you could turn this to hammer, or if you just want to use drill mode, okay? Two separate drill modes. Then you got hammer drill, say if you want to go through some concrete or something, okay? That's what it's for. Okay. Now some come with a side handle. If you're really like getting down into it, a side handle will look something like that. This one did not. This particular model did not come with a side handle, but you can pick them up for like 10 bucks. Also, you got your speed selector. Okay, so it's a 2-speed, high-low, but also it's high-low, and you have, like I said, you have the torque that you can turn up and down. So keep that in mind. So this impact's a lot simpler. You have, your trigger. You have your 1/4-inch hex drive chuck, right? The hex drive. Just pull it out, put your bit in, lock it. Then you have your selector. Reverse, forward. You have a belt hanger if you're hanging on something if you want. What else does it have? LED light, I said. Yeah, LED light. That's pretty much it on this one. Guys, it didn't take long to charge this battery. It was at 1. I hooked it up. I probably charged this battery for like 20 minutes or less. That's it. Alright guys, I'm going to use one of these carbide tip bits from Bosch, and what I'm going to do is, instead of, to make sure I'm not drilling through my table, I am going to put a pallet up here, and we're going to get to work testing these drills out. Okay guys. We're going to set this on hammer mode. Let's try that high setting again on hammer all the way up on level 2. Really? 10 seconds? Let's try this cinder block. 2 hammer, 2 18. Okay guys, this is the same battery we're just using. We got 2 bars left. Okay. Click it in. See? 2.5-inch construction screws. Guys, I can say that this thing is a workhorse, okay? The hammer drill just
up concrete real quick, so it'll get through real quick.
Alright guys, next up on the list is our M18 Random Orbital Sander. Okay, this is a tool only. You need the battery and the charger. It's sold separately. It's 2648-20 is the code. It has a 5-year warranty. Quartered power, 12,000 orbits per minute. So you have a variation of 7,000 to 12,000 orbitals per minute. When you go get your sander pads, you need to have pad size of a 5-inch. The weight's 2.7 pounds. And the orbit diameter is 3/32 of an inch. It does come with the adapter hose if you are going to use a vacuum system. And then the universal hook and loop pad, it does come with that too.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Comes with a couple of pads, a couple of attachments. Okay. Nice. Okay. On off, variable speed, up or down. Okay. You have your contacts. Okay. M18 battery. Lock it in place. We'll take the battery off for a second. Again, this is a little stiff to get the battery off. So it was the same way with the drill, but a little worse on this one. Okay, also you have here is a dust box. Then you would put your dust box on, just like that. That's how I'd ride, just like that. Or take the dust box off, take the dust box off, and if you wanted to, you could put these extenders on here. So you put the extender on, and you would have this extender on, and this would go into the vacuum. Okay, so that's another option. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and use this little dust box. We're just going to use the dust box, and came with these 2 pads. I did buy some Diablo pads. We're just going to use this for demonstration, and it literally sticks onto the pad right here. Look at that. Try this wood here. It's 2x4. Got some grooves on it. Just hitting it with my fingernails, so you can kind of see that it's beat up a little bit. It's just a piece of 2x4. Okay. It's really easy to control. I mean, it's so smooth, it's like it's not even on. And literally, you can just probably hold it with a couple fingers. It's not going to spin out of my hand. Look guys, it's the spots are there, but it's so smooth now. Remember when I was, it's find some more rough spots. Just gonna smooth this out real quick. Let's smooth this out. Y'all see that? We're gonna smooth that out. The sun getting after it. TJ, right here. There you go. You can see, guys, that wood is pretty smooth. It's not bad.
So what's up guys, if y'all like this, please hit the like button for us. Consider subscribing to our channel, man. We'll have some more videos coming. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.